Hello everybody, how are you? Today I'm gonna do a very different video than usually. I just want to introduce that super cute figurine toy. You know that in Japan we have so many toys that they are in a box, and it's a mystery which one you're gonna get. Is totally surprise. And this one is made by a designer that is called Lang. And it's a monster. Okay, it's called sofubi kaiju. That means like a soft plastic monster. And it's a kind of Yuki means snow, and for me it looks kind of like a yeti. And I love yetis so much. And this one is so cute that usually I don't buy this stuff, but I had to get this to put it on my desk. It's really adorable. So these are the ones that we can get, but I'm just going to open it. These kind of toys are a little bit expensive because they are produced in small amount. Like this one is made by a designer, so it's not like the ones you get from Rilakuma or Hello Kitty or Sumiko Gurashi. That those ones usually are a little bit more a little bit less pricey than these ones. But anyway, this series is a series of they're clear ones. The plastic is clear and it's filled with some stuff, so I found that this is super cute. So let's see which one. This is a card. It says Pop Mart per Lang. It was a collaboration of Pop Mart. They kind of help individuals, designers to make toys or plastic things. So it's a company that produces this kind of like cute stuff. So let's see what is it. Oh my god, I love it. 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 Oh my god. Okay, so I got the one that is filled with plastic stars. I don't know if you can see the plastic stars there. Yeah, it's really cute. Oh, I love it. This is very nice. And the plastic has a very nice feeling. It's something between plastic and rubber, so it's a little bit flexible. It's very nice to touch. And yeah, I got the one that is yellow and pink. I think it looks super happy. I love the face. It's really cute. And I love that it's filled with stars. And on the back it has that crest here, like a dinosaur or something. But for me it really looks kind of like a yeti. I think it's super adorable. Okay, in the card here, oh, okay, it says Yuki Color Transparent Series. This is the pink star. Oh, it's really adorable. It's filled with so many tiny plastic stars. They were okay, I'm gonna show you the different types. Okay, the one I got is called Sakura, I think. Oh no, it's this one, the pink star. And these ones are filled with soft balls that they're super cute too. And some others are filled with just like a super tiny white and sparkle plastics. And then this one is stars too, and there are other, like they have just plastic tiny balls. They're really adorable, and the colors are so bright and happy. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this one. It's so bright. I'm gonna put it on my desk. It's gonna help me work. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. I don't know if this thing is available online. Like, actually, I didn't know this designer that I think is from Hong Kong. For what I can read here on the packaging. And yeah, it seems this is available in Hong Kong too. So I don't know. It says something about distribution in Europe. I don't know. Maybe you can find online in the places that they sell uh, gachapon, or they sell that kind of surprise boxes. And I just bought it in a store that they have illustrators and designers stuff. I went there to try to find a calendar because this year I couldn't find a calendar that I like, because I realized I'm too late. When I wanted to buy a calendar, it was already too late, so all the good ones were sold out. And I just went here to see if they had some illustrators calendar, but I couldn't find. And I found this super cute stuff. So anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye. Bye bye.